Hello guys, this is going to be a video made for the Evap Solenoid Replacement on a Honda CR-V 2011. Here is the solenoid. It's going to get replaced. Now these are pretty affordable. They're about $42 on Amazon. Here's the box where it comes from. I will attach the link and the picture of it on Amazon. Reason why I'm doing this because I had, but probably a lot of people have, it's no longer showing because I replaced it. I fixed the problem, but the fuel cap warning that comes up right here where it says the fuel cap is loose. Check fuel cap. That problem was showing on my dashboard for about, in all reality, about 2 years, and I went through replacing caps, doing all the things that need to be done, like, you know, unplugging the battery, resetting everything, using a code reader, all that kind of stuff. I talked to a lot of people, nobody knew, and I found a few videos on YouTube, but they were kind of vague because they never were to the right vehicle. They were either a Honda Civic or a Honda Accord. So by trial and error, I figured out that this guy is the problem. So this little guy here is located. It's a pain in the butt, but if you remove the air filter canister here, cover I should say, just take it off of the hose. The reason why we do this is so we can reach it, and it's down there. Look at him. Very uncomfortable to get your hands in there, so that's why I removed the air filter cover. But the process is not too bad if you know what to remove. So if you remove the cover, one, by removing the clips down here, taking those apart, pulling the hose back because it's going to be in the way, deducting, and then with the 5/16 socket, remove the upper and lower screw right there that hold the solenoid to the side, and unclipping those two hoses. They're easy, just some of those squeezable ones. Squeeze the clamp and they pop right off. And there's a plug on the top right there. So if I show you on the actual solenoid, it's like that. Here's where the hose goes. Take that off, remove the two bolts, and unplug the power from here. It's an easy swap. Put it back together, hook it all up. All you need is just a screwdriver to take this off. Loosen up the hose clamp right here. If I can focus. Right there. And move that apart to the side. You don't necessarily have to unplug any of these. You'll be able to squeeze your hand in there. Once you're done with that, just easy replace it. This, like I said, 5/16 socket. I would suggest you use a shallow one for the bottom and a deep one for the top one. Now the deep one is going to be a little tougher. The lower one is going to be tougher. So you should also have a combo wrench, 5/16 combo, just in case. So depends on how big your hands are. All right. Once you put that together, you fire it up. It takes about, I would say, maybe a few hours before it clears. It's still going to show when you turn the car on, but if you wait about a few hours, drive it around, eventually it's going to clear. So all right guys, hope this works, and good luck.